In today's video, I'll show you how to translate WooCommerce so your store can reach customers in different languages. This is quick and easy using the Loco Translate plugin. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, go to the Plugins section and select Add New. In the search bar, type Loco Translate. When it appears, click Install Now and then activate. This plugin gives you a clean interface to manage all your store's language files. With the plugin active, look again at the left menu and click Loco Translate. Then select Plugins. You'll see a list of all plugins available for translation. Scroll until you find WooCommerce and click on it. This takes you directly into the translation area for WooCommerce. Now choose your language. If this is your first time doing it, you may need to create a new language file. Click New Language, then select your target language from the drop-down. If your language is already listed, simply click on it to continue. You will now see a long list of text strings that WooCommerce uses across your store, such as buttons, alerts, and labels. Select any string you want to translate. For example, if you want to change the text for the Add to Cart button, click on that string. At the bottom, enter your translated version into the provided box. When you're done, make sure you hit Save so the translation applies across your store. After saving, your WooCommerce site will instantly display the translated text for your visitors. And that's it, you've successfully translated WooCommerce using Loco Translate. It's a simple way to make your store more accessible to customers around the world.